Help me! Help!
Oh my god! Aha!
What should I do now?
Help me!
Grab this.
Thank you.
What happened?
Please get me an invitation card.
Okay.
I would like to invite you to my party.
Huh?
But I'm not an angel.
Don't worry. I will help you.
No, no. Aha!
Okay.
Okay. Good job!
Okay.
No, no.
Nice!
Okay. No, no. No, no, no.
Okay.
No, no. Okay.
Nice! Wow!
Wow! You're so beautiful!
Let's go.
Hello!
Hi.
Wow!
Who's that?
She is the one who saved me.
I'm Wednesday.
I want to ask you this.
Will you marry me?
Huh?
Wow!
Yes, I do.
Yes!
Hooray!
Hi, beautiful white cat.
Hello.
Prince Ken also appeared.
Oh my god!
Oh no, the cat is careless.
Are you okay?
Luckily, Barbie helped Prince in time. Otherwise, the vase would have fallen on his head.
Bye.
Wow.
Elsa is pursued by many people, including Prince Ken.
Hello.
Oh, it turns out that the prince likes Barbie, not Elsa.
Bye.
You're so mean.
It's mine.
It's Barbie's flowers. When elephants fight, it is the grass that suffers.
Hey.
Let's compete together to see who is better.
Come in.
Barbie will show everyone that 10 whirls on her fingertips look like. I like pink, so this dress will be lovely pink. Add more sparkling beads and more glitter. The little flowers will also be attached. It's special.
Yay!
No way! I won't give up! Turns out that she is calling for help. The dress is really
Okay.
so rich.
Let's go.
And makeup too. It's true that rich person
Hello?
can do anything. There's even makeup artist.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
No way! Barbie also doesn't give up. Don't play so sneakily.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Wash your face so clean.
Okay.
Next, let's give Barbie a cute pink makeup look. The hair will also be done carefully.
Aha.
Come in.
Elsa is so
Hello.
pretty and arrogant. Wow, Barbie really shines. The shouts are much louder.
Yay, yay!
Oh my god, it's true that the bad guy will indeed stop at nothing to get her goals.
Give me back my crown.
That's what a haughty girl deserved. Ken is very pleased with Barbie.
Thank you.
They're a great couple.